Okay, so today we're going to be changing spark plugs in a 2000 Ford Focus SE. Um, Here's our four spark plugs, or where the wires are. They connect over here. So if you're changing the spark plugs and wires at the same time, the way I would do it is change this spark plug and this wire, then this spark plug, and then this wire, and that spark plug, that wire, and you get it. So to change the spark plug in here, you're going to need a 5/8 spark plug socket. So you just pull this, just comes right out, and I would follow this over to where it is, which is located in the top right hand corner over here. But now pull it out and go ahead and put your wire in. So we're going to go ahead and hit this. There we go. Should be close to being out. There we go. As you can see, that is pretty burnt and bad. Take it out. Now, since this is a car I'm parting out, I ain't actually going to put a new spark plug in it. I'm just going to put the old one back in because this is a car that isn't running. It's being parted out, so I'm just doing these videos to help everybody out. So say you got your new spark plug, which this is obviously not. Go ahead and put it in here. And say you want to kind of hand tighten them. Go as far as you can with your hand. And then kind of give it a little bit, not much at all. And that spark plug's good. So now, like I was saying with the wire, wires are very simple. All you do is pull them out, push them in. So, pull this wire out. Now, if we had our new wire, we would just go ahead and hook it in there until you hear it click. And then hook it over here until you hear it click. And that's how you change spark plugs and wires on a 2000 Ford Focus. Hope this video helped. If it did, please leave a like rating, subscribe to the channel for more content. If you want to see any more videos about a 2000 Ford Focus, well, I still got it. Let me know in the descriptions, and I'll see you all later. Or in the comments, my bad.